Hi, this is Loganathan representing ISM Union. I have a very interesting proposal for you. The proposal is a placement training with placements from ISM Union. The proposal is all about to conduct a special placement training program for your students of all disciplines. The duration could be tailored from 90 to around 288 hours depending on the requirements. This program is to enhance the number of campus placements and provide continued placement support from our end. The requirement of this training program is that the entire college as a team usually concentrates on various procedures to fulfill the norms of universities and the various accreditation boards. Busy in conducting training on all subjects, internal exams, assignments, projects, final exams in the stipulated time. You usually fall short of manpower and time to cover some of the important skills required for career building and job search. We are aware that you are capable of conducting such placement training by yourself, provided you have time and manpower. Most of the colleges fall short of this time and manpower. That's where we are coming into. That's what this proposal is. In this training program, placement training program, we have various topics to be trained theoretically and practically. I'll just go through the various details of this training. First, specialization skills. Like the student want to specialize on a specific domain. Maybe if he is electronics and computer science engineer, maybe he is interested in embedded systems, IoT, such kind of domains, or cyber security. If he is a computer science or information science, maybe interested in data science, AI/ML, data analytics, full stack development. If he is mechanical civil, then he may be interested in getting trained on AutoCAD or AutoCAD Civil 3D. Yeah, we train up on this specialization skill. That's one track program which will go on. Then essential programming skills, basically understanding what is programming, understanding the language, implementing the various data structures and various algorithms, and getting to know about optimization techniques and applying them onto the projects. Then toolkits, the various tools that they need to use during the project development. Yeah, without a tool, an engineer is a layman. So we would like to train on tools. English has become an essential skill in corporate today. As English becomes a core language of communication with the clients and colleagues there. So we would like to train up on English, written English, English grammar, English reading, English conversation, interpersonal skills, how to interact with a team, how to establish a healthier relationship with the team and the management, how effectively you can convey your ideas onto the table, how to excel in group discussion. Yeah, this is interpersonal skills which is very much required. Today, every company has started testing the mental ability of the student, mental ability of the engineers. They conduct aptitude training. Yeah, we would like to see our students do well in this aptitude training. by making them work on the various problems on mathematics, logical reasoning, English, patterns, puzzles, etc. Soft skill is must today. Okay, positive attitude, stress management, critical thinking, conflict management, time management, adaptability, leadership mindset, mentoring the team, etc. Interview skills. After preparing all, okay, he need to excel in interview. How to impress an interviewer, how to communicate with the interviewer, how to make this interview an interactive one, how to handle a question, how to use the time given in the interview, how to use your brain, and how to make an impact. If a student can impress the interviewer and make an impact, he gets selected. Yeah, the many domain updates and the technological updates comes into this program. Digital skills. This is a hands-on program where we okay, make our students sit and draft emails, draft letters, digital mathematics, MS Office, installation of operating systems into desktop or laptop, and then few okay network diagnosis. It's okay some Wi-Fi is not working, your network is not working, how to debug them. These are the essential skills that every engineer requires. AI, artificial intelligence there, and we are not okay in this training program. We are not preparing them to develop AI. This is to how to use AI. There is already AI. As an electrical engineer, what is that I can use out of this AI? How to make my projects better using AI? What all the okay things that AI offers for me to get to know? Yeah, this program called as AI for engineers. Today, if you walk into the first year or second year classes today and ask them a question like, what do you want to become? At least 20% of them would say that they would like to start up an organization, some business. But okay, down the line, okay, when they come to third and fourth year, this is getting diluted, and they keep okay preparing themselves for campus interview and further okay how to build a career in any organization. This is because okay he really wanted to start up an organization or a business, but he doesn't know how to. What is that required to become an entrepreneur? Suppose if I need a fund, then where will I go for? Do I need to go for a bank or okay a venture capitalist, or is there any other avenue? What are the schemes that the government okay has for okay entrepreneurs? I think this entrepreneurship training will definitely okay encourage entrepreneurs, and we need more entrepreneurs in India. And then that's okay, understanding the Indian international economy and politics is very much required for every engineer today. And that's a course. The highlight of this particular program is that it is not me or my team alone will participate in this training program. We are going to handpick okay the top experts in specific domains and employ them to okay get more benefit out of this particular training. Yes. The actual benefit of this training program is that certainly it builds confidence in students. That's the first thing. And since he is confident, okay, I think he will definitely perform better in campus placements, campus drives. Overall improvement in placements can be very well seen on the paper. The college reputation raises because today the college reputation is not only okay the quality of training but also the number of placements done by the college. Yeah, college reputation raises. It would be a great service okay to nation if college can produce value-based engineers. Apart from these things, ISM also provides placement support after the campus drives. That will be an ongoing one. The course duration, as I said, can be tailored from 90 to 188 hours depending on the requirements. The mode of the training is that okay, we are going to use a blended training. to get all the benefits of all the modes like classroom training, online training, e-learning, and also micro-learning. The training course fee will vary depending on the duration and other things. Minimum 5,000, maximum it may go until 18,000 per candidate. We can discuss on this and decide. ISM Univ is a 30 years experience training and placement organization. We have a registered office in Rajajinagar, Bangalore. We are 40 plus dedicated people who are working to enhance careers of engineers. I am the founder of this organization. My name is Loganathan P. Thank you. Thank you for your time and consideration.